You either act like an adult and speak right to everybody that's here, and you have the privilege to speak your mind for 3 minutes.
You work for me, boy. You need
I got a whole bunch of cops in
modifications
here.
to the policy manual took place almost 40 days after I complained about him. Y'all modified. No, I'm not. He's the cop. You tell me.
I'm not.
What First Amendment right did I violate?
I'm not. You're either going to
I'm
respect
asking
this
you a
place or
question.
you're going to be asked to walk out.
Am I under duress of arrest?
You're gonna go to jail if you.
I'm going to be arrested.
Language will not, in and of itself, constitute disorderly conduct. That's Payne v. Pauley. Swear words do not provide probable cause for an arrest for disorderly conduct because the words, as a matter of law, are not fighting words. Johnson v. Campbell. I could go on, Mr. Mayor, talk about what we think about you. If I think you, Mr. Mayor, are a tyrant, I can say that. If I think the city manager is a piece of shit, I can say that. It's protected. This is the case law. I don't give a shit what you think.
Followell goes back in there. Is he going to be arrested?
I don't believe that the term. He doesn't have a criminal trespass. He was.
Well, let's try it then. Let's see if we can just go sit down.
Okay.
What's going on, everybody? Today I'm bringing you to Aransas Pass, Texas, where a local business owner by the name of Jason Followell has been getting harassed and terrorized by the local police department. He was previously banned from every taxpayer-funded building in the area after there was a dispute where police were targeting his business and trying to issue him fines illegally. So CJ Grisham represented him in court. Now that the criminal stuff's behind him, he's been going to the mayor to complain about the police department, in which his rights are being violated and he's being forced out of the meeting, and you guys can see it here. The mayor of this town's name is Ramiro Gomez. Let's go ahead and put his picture up full mass. So Mr. Gomez here has a real problem with citizens' right to speak. He believes only he's allowed to have a narrative, and anyone who speaks negatively about the police department or at odds with the local government should not be allowed to speak at all. Now, you guys are not going to want to miss this one. CJ absolutely destroys this guy. So be sure to have your seatbelts on and your chin straps buckled while you smash that like button, of course, because it's about to be a bumpy ride.
Jason Paul, one of the only people in the room that tells you the truth. By the way, your citizens' comments stuff is bullshit. You can do everything you just said. It's not his fault. I can personally affront you because you do whatever I want, and you have to listen to me because you work for me. You need to remember that, boy. All right. Chief Blanchard, you piece of shit. Chief Blanchard, 1247. You spent. Excuse me?
I just read you.
And you're wrong. You're lying to the public.
I'm not going to put up.
I'm not going to put up with
any
you.
defamation of character.
That's not defamation of fact.
I don't care.
You
I'm
have
not
to
going to
do.
put up with no profanity or anything. You either act like an adult and speak right to everybody that's here, and you have the privilege to speak your mind for 3
Privilege.
minutes.
You work for
I'm
me,
just saying.
boy. You need to
I'm just
remember
saying.
that.
Go ahead.
That's your warning.
Okay, I'm telling you.
Now rewind my clock while I finish my statement.
Go ahead.
Thank you, sir. Chief Blanchard, $1,247 fitted suit you stole from the company. From us. You work for us. On 9/10/23. Kerry Shrugs, you lied to the public. Kerry Shrugs on Facebook stated that these personally fitted suits were pre-approved by the council and manager in 2011. Jason Knight's dad was that mayor then. Guess what he said, Kerry? Never approved that. Laugh at me all you want.
I got a whole bunch of cops in
Modifications
here.
to the policy
for some
manual
reason.
took place almost 40 days after I complained about him. Y'all modified it. Why did y'all modify it? You know when it was modified before, Kerry? Not 2011, I do. 2019, 2014, 2004. You lied to the public. Even with the recent modifications, a Class A uniform is the highest uniform APD has, and it is not a suit, you scumbag. Uniform Class A. Did you have a dress hat? No, you did not. Long sleeves. Did you have that? Yes, you did. Tie, yes. Trousers, yes. Skirts, I mean, maybe.
Mr. Mayor.
Black belt. I'm talking. It's my turn to talk.
Personal attack once again, Mayor.
Peace. Well, I don't give a crap what you say, you piece of shit.
Okay, now.
There it is again.
I can talk like that. It's a First Amendment right.
Violating the rules of the court.
Chief Blanchard,
You are
what
going
First
to
Amendment
be
right did I
meeting.
violate? No, I'm not. He's the
I'm not
cop.
gonna
You
deal
tell
with
me.
it. I'm not.
What First Amendment right did I violate?
I'm not. You're either going to
I'm
respect
asking you
this
a
place or
question.
you're going to be asked to walk out.
You're out.
Am I under duress of arrest?
You're gonna go to jail if you.
I'm gonna be arrested. Fine. Okay. Here. I left the count for you. Stay right here.
Oh, I can go. Mr. Mayor, City Council, my
Now, guys, I'm going to switch the video over to the video taken by the city of Aransas Pass so y'all can get a better view of what's going on. But when CJ starts to expose this guy, he begins to get loud and interrupt the meeting, acting like a child. Y'all ain't going to want to miss this. Here's the rest of it.
Mayor, City Council, my name is CJ Grisham. I'm a civil rights attorney here in Texas, and what I just witnessed was a violation of Mr. Followell's rights. Let me read something to you. Arresting someone in retaliation for the exercise of free speech rights is sufficient to chill speech as an understatement. This is Beck v. City of Upland. Arguing, even if done loudly with a profane or offensive language will not, in and of itself, constitute disorderly conduct. That's Payne v. Pauley. Swear words do not provide probable cause for an arrest for disorderly conduct because the words, as a matter of law, are not fighting words. Johnson v. Campbell. I could go on, Mr. Mayor. Your rules of decorum are unconstitutional, and they're setting the city up, you individually, for liability. Now, you will be seeing a letter from me, a demand letter for violating my client's rights just now, because he has the right to say fuck, shit, damn, bitch, cunt, whatever.
Oh.
He has the right to say all of those words because it is a First Amendment right. You can't do anything about it. Let me tell you something. The law has long established that arresting an individual for publicly displaying vulgarities violates the First Amendment. That's the Cohen case, 1969. Indeed, the Supreme Court recently held that a public school violated the free speech rights of a cheerleader by suspending her when she said things like, fuck school, fuck softball, fuck cheer, fuck everything. Then there was another, that's Mahoney Area School District v. BL. There's also Eachus v. Steelman saying that a police officer was not entitled to qualified immunity for arresting a plaintiff who said, fuck you. Did you hear that? Here we go. No qualified immunity. So I can say fuck throughout my entire 3 minutes. I can say fuck again, and I can say fuck again, and there's nothing you can do about it because it's called expressive speech. We are allowed to express ourselves. We are allowed to fucking talk about what we think about you. If I think you, Mr. Mayor, are a tyrant, I can say that. If I think the city manager is a piece of shit, I can say that. It's protected. This is the case law. I don't give a shit what you think. The law is like, you escort me out, I'll sue you as well, Mr. Mayor. Do whatever you want. This is the law right here. And if these chiefs come out here and pull me out of this meeting, you had better read this, chief, because he's telling you to break the law.
Mayor, no, I'm not.
Yeah.
Mayor, you can take him
Now,
out.
where'd that coward Kerry Scruggs go?
You go out.
Where'd the coward Kerry Scruggs go?
Take him out.
Is my
Take him
3
out.
minutes
No.
up?
You're gone.
No. What am I gone for? What am I gone for? No. He will violate the law.
Goodbye. You're going to go to jail for
Oh, you're going to arrest me? Oh, you're going to arrest me? Okay, so under the threat of arrest, you just violated.
All right. Okay, shit. Motherfucker.
Is my 3 minutes up?
You're gone.
What am I gone for? What am I
You're
gone for?
violating the rules of the decorum.
No. His rules of decorum violate the law.
Goodbye. You're going to go to jail for
Oh,
disrupting
you're going to
a public
arrest me?
meeting.
Oh, you're going to arrest me?
Continue.
Okay, so under the threat of
Let's go.
arrest, you just
Goodbye.
violated my right, you
Okay.
piece of shit, cunt motherfucker. Read these, because you have no qualified immunity.
Goodbye.
Oh, go file. I'm out of the meeting. I can stay right
No,
here.
no,
I'm
no.
not. I have left the meeting.
No, you're gone.
I have left.
Meeting
I'm not in the meeting
Please.
anymore. I'm not in the meeting anymore.
Goodbye. He's gone.
No, I'm gonna
Or he
stay here
goes to
quietly.
jail for disrupting. He doesn't want to listen.
You guys might want to read this case law. You're one of you better read this case law. None of you have qualified immunity.
Sue already.
Okay, in that case, all right, here. Let me get everybody's badge numbers.
I can't have you being out here being
Right
loud.
now,
Let's
you're
go
gone.
outside.
Sir,
I'm gonna be quiet. I'm gonna be quiet.
You're gone.
Fuck off my paper, bitch. What the fuck are you doing?
Goodbye. You've been asked to leave. Please leave. Stop
Under
making
what
things
authority?
difficult. The mayor kicked you out of the meeting.
He
Just right
unlawfully
now,
kicked me out of the meeting.
we are still disrupting your
Then close the
meeting.
fucking door, big.
Close the door?
Yeah,
And then you
close
got
the door,
another
man.
argument That's not a public meeting? Get out.
Excuse me, don't touch me. Don't touch me. You are assaulting me right now.
Please walk.
Don't touch me.
Please walk. You're not following commands. Thank you.
Well, I'm not following unlawful commands, motherfucker.
Okay.
All right, so we got Persian. Persian, what's your badge number?
412, sir.
412. Next.
Salazar.
Salazar. 430. Next. How do you spell that?
Huh?
How do you spell that?
Streich.
Streich.
442.
442. Next.
Hey, Baker.
Baker. A. Baker.
Yes, sir. 432.
Gonna make you Baker.
432. Next.
No, you haven't.
W.
HIPKEY 437.
H-I.
HIPKEY 437.
Next.
Randy, get some
H. Thomas.
Right.
Brian, good to me.
435. Next. Is that it?
That was rude of me.
And Blanchard.
401. I understand you're not mad. I understand that.
Guys, I want you to know something.
Yes, sir.
I literally quoted them
Yes, sir.
the case. Whoops, there it is. Sorry. I literally quoted them the case law.
Okay.
That what he just did is unlawful.
Yeah.
I also quoted the case law that you lose qualified immunity by arresting me for what you just did. Okay, I literally but you would have arrested me. You threatened to arrest me.
I didn't threaten to arrest.
Your chief threatened to arrest me, and he told you to arrest me if I didn't leave.
Which is under duress.
Which is under duress. That is essentially an arrest. Okay? So none of you have qualified immunity. If I walk through this door, who's going to arrest me?
If you
I need to know.
the official proceedings, sir, you
Yes.
can be in there being
Who will not arrest me if I go through this door?
I want you to go in there and speak, but I want you to speak in a calm.
No, I'm done speaking. That's all been done. What I want to know is, if I go back in this door,
Yeah.
who is going to not arrest me?
Are you going to disrupt the proceedings?
I didn't disrupt the proceeding last time.
It sounded like you were loud in the hallway, and then we had.
No, I was not in the hallway because you were illegally pushing me out of a meeting.
Yeah, well,
The mayor
you kicked
kicked me out.
Okay, I wasn't there for that. I was there for you getting out of the building.
So you don't know what happened in there. So why are you saying that I was disrupting the meeting when you have no idea what I was doing in
I
there?
didn't. Oh, okay. I said you were disrupting the meeting because the chief said you were disrupting the meeting. That part I heard.
Okay, and the chief said I was disrupting a meeting because I said fuck at the podium. Which this specifically says, the word fuck, because I even quoted straight from the case law. Fuck school, fuck cheer, fuck softball, fuck everything. That's Mahoney Area School District v. BL.
Okay.
All right, that her free speech rights were violated
Yeah.
when they suspended her for that.
Okay.
There's the Cohen case where he was at a meeting and he wore a fuck the draft. Same thing.
Okay.
So I said fuck. The mayor said, I can't say that. I says, well, Mayor, I just read you the case law. I can say fuck as much as I want. I can say fuck you. I can say fuck them. I can say piece of shit.
Yeah.
And
you expect them to know that? based
I
on
just
what
read
you
it to them.
said?
I literally just read it to them.
I could print something off the internet that says what I wanted to.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Is that really your argument?
I could print something off.
When a lawyer comes up here,
Yeah.
who's an officer of the court,
Okay.
and says what the law is, and there's not a city attorney in
This
there,
isn't a court proceeding, though.
it's not, but this is a public meeting
Yes, sir.
where I have a right
Yes.
to seek redress, do I not?
Yes.
I have a right to criticize elected officials. He has a right
Absolutely.
to, now I'm not going to sue on my behalf,
Okay.
I'm going to sue on his behalf.
Okay.
So I need to know, I guess, even more appropriately,
Yeah.
if Mr. Followell goes back in there, is he going to be arrested?
I don't believe that the term. He doesn't have a criminal trespass. He was.
Well, let's try it then. Let's see if we can just go sit down.
All right.
And just don't say a word.
All right.
Wait, hang on, did I see the sign? Did y'all-
Oh, how they backpedal and backtrack, y'all. They were all up in arms trying to get these two out of the meeting, but now that they're proven wrong, guess what? They're walking back into the meeting. How embarrassing for that mayor.
Put the signs up? No, okay.
No.
By Mr. Gary Evans, he stated that this is a civil matter. While it's a civil matter, see what in if this paperwork format was filed through quadrant means, which it appears to have been, then that is criminal fraud, code violations, and breach of. I am whole of the property. They are the rules. And now we have a family there who starts to pay more for property tax appraisal on a house they didn't build on their land that they cannot get into. your time, and I hope y'all look into it.
You already got your.
Can I just ask him a question?
Ask him a question. Yeah, you can ask him a question later.
I just wanna know, does that have to do with the point this property?
It is.
Okay, thank you.
Anybody else?
Hi, I'm Holly. Hi, my name is Holly, and I am a citizen of Aransas. I'm here to say the money that y'all are using for the new fire department should be used on the schools, the roads, the community. There's nothing wrong with the police and fire station that we have now, so this new expensive one is not needed. Thank you.
Anybody else? Now, we're gonna go into an executive session. Section 551.071 of the Texas Open Meeting Act, to meet with an attorney to seek legal advice on the matter which is the duty of the attorney to the city council under the Texas disciplinary rules of professional conduct of the state bar of Texas clearly conflicts with the Texas Open Meeting Act.
Y'all done?
Yeah.
Relating to outdoor property on the private property. Section 551.073, deliberations regarding real property related to property ID number 1 block 391, lot 7 and 8 and 5, Myrtle Avenue, ATJ, lot 8, City of Aransas, Pass, Aransas County, Texas. Property ID number 12460, Lamont Street, block 345, lot 32, City of Aransas, Pass, Aransas County, Texas. And it is 6:10.
Yeah, you do. You might want to see if you can find something that counters that, Chief. Well, then your attorneys are getting you in a lot of trouble, but you'll see my lawsuit within the week. Don't worry. Yes, motherfucker.
Now, guys, let me know y'all's thoughts on this. And let me know where I got it wrong if you think I did. But me personally, I believe that the mayor here does not like free speech, does not like criticism, to the point where he's going outside the law to interrupt people and have them removed from public meetings. It's really simple for the mayor. The only thing he has to do is sit there and keep his mouth shut. But this guy is so ego-driven that he has to retaliate against citizens and use his mayor position as a means to terrorize business owners and strip citizens of their right to speak, amongst other rights. Now, I will leave a link in the description to CJ Grisham's channel for any further updates or additional information as it pertains to this. Be sure not to forget to drop a like on the video. And if you made it this far, folks, go ahead and subscribe. It's free. And let me know in the comment section where you think I got it wrong. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Later.